In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Gmail filters. If you've ever wondered where your email rules live or how to fine-tune them, this walkthrough will make it simple and clear. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into your account. For the smoothest experience, use the desktop version, since that's where all filter controls are easiest to find. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. A quick panel will slide out. From there, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. Across the top, you'll see a row of tabs. Click Filters and Block Addresses. This is the home base for everything related to filters. Here, you'll see a list of all the filters you've created. If you don't see any, it just means none have been set up yet. Each entry represents a rule that looks for certain email criteria and then performs actions automatically. To view the details for a specific filter, click on the filter entry. You'll be able to see what it's looking for, such as a sender, subject, or keywords, and what actions it takes. If something isn't working the way you expect, this is the fastest way to diagnose it. Next to each filter, you'll find Edit and Delete. Click Edit to adjust the criteria or actions, then save your changes. Use Delete if a filter is no longer needed. Removing a filter won't change emails already in your inbox, it just stops the rule from running in the future. If you want to create a new filter, click Create a New Filter. Fill in the criteria fields that matter for your use case, maybe a specific sender, certain words in the subject, or keywords in the message body. Keep your filters focused so they're predictable. When you're ready, continue to the next screen to choose actions. Common choices include applying a label, skipping the inbox to archive, forwarding to another address you manage, marking as read, or deleting. Select what fits your workflow, and then save the filter so it automatically applies to future emails that match. As your projects and subscriptions change, make it a habit to revisit the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Periodically reviewing and updating filters keeps your inbox organized and prevents important messages from being missed. With these steps, you'll always know where your filters are, how they work, and how to keep them tuned to your needs.